We put together this quick video to share with you how to use our Design Studio. Now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to choose a product. We can go ahead and select products from the main navigation, and then we can choose a product category, we can choose a subcategory, and of course choose the appropriate product. Now at any time in the design process you can choose a different product. Now the next step is to choose a design or choose clip art. Now if you select designs from the top left or clip art, we have the ability to keyword search, or we can search by category. So if I click on athletic department, for example, we'll see all the design templates within this category. Now I can go ahead and make a selection of one of these design templates, and that's going to import it right onto the workspace in the Design Studio. Now the same is true of clip art. If I want to convert this football design template into a unique theme, I can go ahead and keyword search for the appropriate artwork like soccer or basketball, whatever would be appropriate. Now you also have the ability to select upload image. And this is going to be the ability for you to upload your own graphics into the Design Studio. Now what we're going to do to personalize this theme is we're going to use the zoom option. So I'm going to click zoom, and I can zoom right into this graphic where I can focus. Now I'm going to go ahead and select the text, so I'm just left mouse clicking on the text, and here I have a control point so I can control the size, the rotation, or I could even use this red X to delete this particular text. Now anytime you select something, you can go ahead and edit the details using the options on the left-hand side. So here I'm going to change school name to State Champs. So you'll see as soon as I type in the text, that automatically applies in the Design Studio. Now I'm going to work top to bottom. I can go ahead and change the color by clicking on the color thumbnail. So I'm going to go ahead and make this cardinal red. And I'm going to change the outline color to say black. And you can see those changes reflected on screen in real time. Now you can also choose the style of text. So let's say you want to change the style from, say, collegiate to maybe a Gothic style of text. I can go ahead and choose the category and then click on a new font, and you'll see how that will change right on the screen. And from here I have the ability to change the curve using these controls here. I can also control the spacing between each character in the text. So you have all the controls here to really craft and personalize your theme. Now if we want to change football to say baseball or basketball, I can go ahead and again repeat the process that we just did at the very top. Now I can also control the colors of this as well. And we can go ahead and make this match the top text. So I'll go ahead and give this a curve, and I'll change the spacing, and you can see how that changes. Now I have the ability to do things like cut or eliminate. So if I click cut or delete, that's going to remove this right from my workspace. And I also have the ability to recolor the clip art elements in this particular design. So I'll make that match the colors. Again, we'll go ahead and select cardinal, and you'll see how that's reflected right on the workspace here. Now there's a lot of different design effects. So what I'm going to do is click on distress. And you'll see here I have the ability to add a vintage distress look to my graphic. Now if one of your design templates happen to have a distressed effect and you want to remove it, you can just select no distress, and you'll see that will reflect live on screen. Now you also have the ability to add notes to our production team. So if you can't achieve something or you have special requests, go ahead and add a note for our production team, and we'll receive that with your order. Now the next thing is I can orient this to different places on the garment. So I'm going to zoom out by clicking the zoom minus button. And notice if I click on the front or the back, any different areas that we're able to decorate, we'll go ahead and show those. So if I want to click on lower right, it's going to show me what this design would look like printed on the lower right of this garment. Of course, by default, we'll print on the full front of the garment or product. So that's the workflow in the Design Studio. Make sure to give us a call or email us if you have any questions or you need any help. We'll be glad to assist you to get the perfect design. Now, of course, when you're done designing, make certain to add to cart to complete the process, or make sure to save. You can save all of your artwork to your very own account so you can return later to place your order.